Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my reaction for another reaction video. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for coming back. So this is another reaction video to the CNCO. This is another reaction video, basically live vocals, not autotune, I'm hoping, because it said Sin Autotune. So this is another video that is separate from one I recorded. I think I recorded and I posted already. Yeah, I believe so. So this is CNCO, and I'm back again with this group over and over. I really do like this group. I do. Let's go.
Hey, what's up? I'm Sabdiel.
I'm Eric.
I'm Christopher.
I'm Rich.
I'm Joel, and we are CNCO.
He looks so good. I need to go back. I'm so sorry.
I'm Eric.
I'm Christopher.
I'm Rich.
I'm Joel, and we are
Hey, what's up? I'm Sabdiel.
I'm Eric.
I'm Christopher.
I'm Rich.
I'm Joel, and we are
So good.
CNCO.
He looks so good. But I think something happened though, because some few interviews or talk or what I be watching, he don't really have a personality no more. Cause he can be that funny type, but he's more like stern with that, you know. I guess that's what happened when it comes to success. Come on, Eric. I didn't have to look to tell you that was Eric. Come on, Richard. Oh, it's Chris. Ooh. I guess I don't know them as I thought.
La noche está para un reggaetón lento, de esos que no se bailan hace tiempo. Yo solo la miré, me gustó, me pegué, la invité y bailemos. La noche está para un reggaetón lento, de esos que no se bailan hace tiempo. Ven mamita, ven que yo quiero tenerte, cámbiame la suerte. Esto es algo urgente. Ven que ya no aguanto. Ay mamita, ven que tú me gustas tanto y nunca miente. Dale así, dale más, dale.
We won't wait though. Oh, hey, buddy. That was my performance. Hey, my spin Whatever you're doing, stop. Go watch a CNCO performance that they did with, what is it, Se Valve Loca? Whatever. Just whatever you're doing, go watch a CNCO performance on the Wish 107.5 bus. This performance was everything. Everything. Watching that video made me realize I need to shut the hell up about Joel and that one hairstyle. And because he... Just go watch that video. In a simple.
She said she listened to it, share when she wanna sing along.
Loca. In a silver loca.
She ain't just a letter lead you on, cause the truth is she go crazy when they play that reggaeton. You know it drives her loca.
To the silver loca. Yes. You know, I can't wait to go one of their concert tour. VIP ticket, of course, because I don't do backstage. Oh, I don't do back seats. And I also need a VIP ticket. Oh, this one. Oh, this is the few.
Que tú te vuelves loca, mami se te nota, lo dice tu boca, Tú te vuelves loca, 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 mami se te nota.
Quien te cuida solo yo, quien te mira solo yo, quien te abraza solo yo, quien te como yo, quien te bese solo, nunca nadie, solo yo.
Oh, I remember that performance. He was singing that. Richard was singing that night. Oh god, this was. I think this was like 5 years ago. 4 or 5 years ago. Look at them thirsty heifers on the floor. Oh, I didn't know they gave Chris the Justin Bieber hairstyle. I'm sorry, the Zac Efron hairdo that they gave it to Justin Bieber. That hairdo was so High School Musical Zac Efron.
Yo quiero que tus ojos me miren y que tus labios me besen para que nunca me olvides. Dime qué te parece. Será tan fácil para mí, será tan fácil llegar a tu corazón, llenarte de ilusión. Será tan fácil para ti, será tan fácil.
Where's Eric?
Corazón, llenarme de ilusión. Porque tú me miras.
Oh, he looks so good with pink and purple. And that blonde hair.
Siento que me estoy enamorando. Es que me tienes loco, es que me tienes loco. Estoy obsesionado, estoy obsesionado. Vivo no mal de duda.
Oh, I love those Tims. I love me some Tims. I need to buy some clothes instead of spending my money in food. Well, that's what happened when my Chase refused to decline. Oh. One thing I would say, every song that I react to on my channel from this group, CNCO, they sing live. They really do sing live. They sound the same like how they sound on their CD, and that's rare because there's a lot of people who sounds very, they sound like Whitney Houston and Mariah Carey and Beyonce in the studio. But when it comes to live performance, it's like, where the hell is that voice? Like, can you give us that voice in your album? But every song I've reacted to from them when they perform live, they really do sound the same. Over the years, have they gotten better performing live? Yes, because there's some performance when they were performing live, you know they're singing live, but dudes, we couldn't hear. But I think they're doing a good job now. I'm gonna give them that. This must be at an award show or something. Oh, he was singing that night. In the afternoon,
That's when you're on my mind. Every time I get the feeling I
it's
can't
alright.
no interest in mine. Poder perderte otra vez. Ahora que estás tan dentro de mi piel, no sé qué puedo hacer si estás con él. For now,
Just
be
pretend.
in the middle of the night. That's when you're on my mind. Every time I get the feeling
Oh, this was Elvis Duran. Baby,
Poder perderte otra vez. Ahora que estás tan dentro de mi piel, no sé qué puedo hacer si estás con él. For now,
Baby, just pretend. Ba, 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 ba. Hey. Child, I'm here singing. I'm here mumbling, singing like I know these songs. Oh. Oh, I love that. The white background and the lights just binging off of it. Chris looking like, yes, bro, hit him.
esa carita que tienes tú, esa boquita que tienes tú, esa actitud que enamora, hasta que llegaste tú, tenerte cerca es una locura.
Okay.
Me veo de tu cintura, antes de que llegaste tú, hoy una fiesta en mi casa.
Did I rush to that one?
Es que una noche tú abrazas y yo la noche sin amenaza. Haremos travesuras y veremos lo que pasa. Mala mía, yo soy el tuyo, mami, y tú eres la mía. Dejemos eso atrás que es una tontería. Yo olvidé todo lo que
I can't with Zabdiel. They be making these expressions. Look at him, look at him. He's feeling this song.
Y de cero empezamos, otro chance nos damos.
Don't they all live in Miami? They're probably next door to each other. Yes, that was CNCO Sin Auto-Tune live vocals. As you guys can see, you know I really do like this group. I like this group to the point about their album, okay? I was one of the first people that I pre-ordered my album, and I got my album the day after it got released, okay? I really do like this group. As I said before, this is one group that they sound the same live as though they sound on a CD. And congratulations to Chris, Joel, Richard, and Eric, and Poppy Zabdiel. That's no, I love his music. Ooh, his girlfriend's very lucky. And I just want to say I really do appreciate this group. Go buy their CD, listen to them, like them, love them, hate it, like it. They're very talented. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section to get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Bye.